So you opened Power BI, stared at your data set and thought, what is this? I need more detail. Like you're reading an item description in Dark Souls that doesn't give you enough lore. That's where DAX comes in. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression, and it's the formula language of Power BI. Without it, your data is as rigid and inflexible as Kanye West's opinion of Kanye West. But with DAX, your data is flexible. You can make custom calculations, dynamic aggregations, and manipulate data like way more than you could otherwise. Think of DAX like your spreadsheet after a triple espresso. Faster, focused, and filled with more anxiety. At its core, DAX lets you go beyond basic sum and average functions and build custom columns, measures, and tables based on your data model. And it even understands relationships between your tables, like a guy that builds furniture or something. I don't know, I couldn't think of something funny to share there. Let's say you want to sum revenue for the current year. In Excel, you'd write something like this. Cool, but Power BI uses DAX, so here's the DAX equivalent. Calculate grabs the revenue, but it also does something else cool. It modifies the filter context of the calculation. This means it evaluates some sales revenue within a modified data set and applies the condition year sales day equals year today so that it only includes data from the current year. It's basically a smart filter. It doesn't just sum everything, it dynamically adjusts based on the conditions you provide. Unlike Excel, which requires pivot tables or complex formulas to react to slicers and filters, DAX formulas adjust dynamically based on filters, slicers, and user interactions. This means your dashboards actually respond to what users do instead of just being static reports that nobody reads. So yeah, DAX turns Power BI from a corporate training video into a John Wick fight scene. And that's DAX in 90 seconds. Like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.